Small ass boobs. Look at it.
I'm not finna get no goddamn surgery.
What's up, people gang? It's your boy Joe, man. As you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, your boy is back with another prank video. As you guys see, man, by the thumbnail, man, today, you know, matter of fact, before I even tell you what I'm going to do, well, you guys already see the thumbnail. It was yesterday, you know, I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw this video. Who I saw did it? I think his name was Chino Wolf or something like that. You know, he did a video on his girl where, you know, he was like, I'm gonna tell my girl to get a BBL to get a reaction. And then I was thinking I didn't want to do the exact same video because, you know, the whole goal of doing YouTube, being a YouTuber, is coming up with videos I feel, oh no, I'm not saying I came up with this video, somebody else probably could have did it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I was scrolling through YouTube, I was watching this video, and he did a video on his girlfriend saying that she need to get a BBL. So I was like, wait, I can probably do a video like this, but another way, you know, instead of me doing BBL, I can be like, tell Shy she need to get a breast lift or whatever y'all call it, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, if you y'all guys, I'm pretty you guys seen the videos with Shy, she don't have it, compared to other females who got them big ass, you know, watermelon, you know, Shy, she got them the little June plumbing, you know, Shy, she got them the little June plumbing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be like, hey babe, you need to get a breast lift, just get a reaction. Now I don't know what this video is gonna be, I don't know what the reaction is gonna be like. I'm just gonna do it. You know, I'm said I get the idea from Chino Wolf. He did, you know, the BBL. I'm gonna do the breast lift. So that's pretty much the concept of this video. I'm just gonna do it. Hopefully it's gonna give me a good reaction. I don't know what the reaction is gonna give me. You know, I never did any type of pranks like or reactions like this. So yeah. Now I'm gonna be extra. I'm gonna be extra with this video, make it a little more funny. I'm gonna be extra. So if you guys like this video, comment down below, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, let's run this stuff. Alright guys, let's go see what Shy is doing right now. What the hell you got going on here, cuz?
Babe.
Why it smell like that?
Huh?
Why it smell like that?
It's this sheet. I don't like it. It's too big.
It's too big?
Yeah, we're gonna get in and go to sleep and we're gonna get swallowed up by the covers. That's when your thinking brain shit comes in. Why are you taking it off? And I'm thinking we need to take this
No, you fold it underneath the bed.
No, this tacky. It's too big. What size is this bed?
I forgot. A queen?
It's a king.
What's a king? How do you know it's a king?
I seen the paper.
Don't get smart with me.
Whatever.
What's that smell?
That sheet.
Yeah, you thought about washing it first?
Yes, I always wash stuff first.
So what are you putting in the bed for?
It's still gonna be big, Javon. Shoot, you ain't gotta cover another thing.
We're gonna wash that one first. You want a next sheet? They're all gonna be, what's in there messed up then? Why you take these off the bed?
Cause it's time to wash them.
You gonna wash?
You gonna wash. Ain't no more with the rest of them. Oh, it's my little twisty coming down. These always come out.
What do you say? I have this one. I mean, unless, or if you want, you don't have to go ahead and do it in the bed for now. Because let's wash those first.
Yeah. We can wash those. And go back on the bed, I guess. Because we need like a Philly sheet.
A what?
A Philly sheet.
A what?
A Philly sheet.
Fillet sheet? What?
What? You said Philly sheet.
No. You can use that. How does that smell?
Sorry. Better than that one.
Hmm?
It's better than that one.
So all of it smell?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. It smells like yours.
No, it don't. Don't even play me like that. My booty smell good. It smell like booty juice.
It smells like booty juice. Make it make sense. Is this on the right side?
No.
Can you get your little, can you help me?
Huh?
What are you looking for?
I thought it was supposed to be a bigger part.
No, just one circle. It's all right here.
Who tore it?
Can you look? You just standing
Babe.
there. Help me.
Cause I don't like this one.
Hmm?
I don't like this one. What? Okay, pull me up. Ow! 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 Ow, fool!
I'm not massaging.
Ow! You so aggressive.
You look so dead. I knew you was gonna put your legs up there.
They did it. Boy!
What?
Get out my stuff.
We can't look when we want to.
No, you can't. Stop, stupid. Man, we need another sheet.
Hmm? Baby, we can use this sheet. Go, come, take the rest back over that corner.
Hey, do it again, do it again, do it again.
Come on. You're a child, bro.
Go ahead. How did you do it? Ow! Wait, that's not how you did it. Stop.
Okay.
No, that's not how you did it. Do it right.
Oh, look at it.
Ow. Do it again, do it again.
You gonna break your little neck with them small ass boobs you got.
Ain't nothing wrong with my boobs. Come on. What my boobs got to do with my neck? Come on, do it.
Cause when you flipped over outside, you gonna break your neck. Come on, make it better.
Okay.
Small ass boobs, make it better.
And so,
You get weight, bro.
huh?
You get weight.
I need to gain weight.
Yeah.
What's wrong with my weight?
Huh?
What's wrong with my weight?
So if you get weight, your boobs make bigger.
What's wrong with my boobs?
They look small.
No, they don't. They look normal.
They look small.
How they look small?
Hmm?
What they?
My boobs down near the same size as your boobs.
So, what they supposed to be? Jumbo's watermelon size?
Yeah.
Why? So I can have back
Look
problems
like
and
June
stuff?
plum.
And like what?
June plum.
June plum. What the hell's a June plum?
They look like a lime.
A lime, Javon?
Yeah.
I at least got grapefruit.
Hell no.
Yes.
Hell no. Well, I need a watermelon, a cantaloupe.
Why? Well, yeah, exactly.
So I can put my thing in between that thing, man.
You can put it. You can do that now.
No, it won't. It won't cover it.
Ah, the nerve of you. Yes, it will. Just do it like that.
Look, you can barely do it.
But ain't nothing wrong with my boobs. They're normal.
You know, you've been saying you would get surgery on your body, something like that.
Me?
Yeah.
I be playing.
You know?
Yeah.
I agree though.
You agree what?
I think you should get surgery.
Why?
Do you know why?
Why I need to get surgery?
To make it bigger, a little bigger.
They're normal size.
I bet if you take them bra, them thing gonna hang on like they're pregnant.
No.
You ever seen a cow when they're pregnant? Got like eight titties underneath. Them bitches wobble, wobble, wobble.
You got 8 teeth. Ain't nothing wrong with my boobs. Javon, why you talking about my boobs for?
It looks small.
No, they don't. They're normal size.
Huh?
They're normal size. I'm small. Well, they supposed to be huge up here.
I know you're small, but I'm just saying you keep on making them bigger. Like get those.
Why would you?
You know
why
that
would you
you-
recommend me to get surgery?
Cause you mentioned it to me. That's why I mentioned it back to you.
Okay,
Cause
look.
the time when you mentioned it, we wasn't on the same page. But now we're on the same page. Now, you know, we've been together for a while. You know what I'm saying?
So now you want me to have bigger boobs?
Yeah, cause they hanging, bro.
So?
Them thing hanging like
No,
my
no, they,
bro.
no, they not. No, they not. They sitting there.
See what? Cause the booty breast. What's them holding up?
No.
I bet if you take them bra, them thing goes hanging like
Boom, they still right there.
them thing hanging on, bro.
They still.
Come close. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Make me wear it here.
They said right. Don't be doing my boobs like that.
That cause this black thing holding up.
No, it's not.
Okay, you take the black thing off, them thing gonna be. That thing gonna look like they right here. They gonna be down here.
No, they're not. So don't even try to push my boobs down there. Look, they sitting right there.
That thing hanging, cuz.
No, they're not. Why you talking about my boobs for? Why would you recommend something like that?
Oh, you can't do that. Take time. My thing good. Regular surgery.
What if I tell you need surgery?
For what?
On that?
What's wrong with my thing?
You tell me what's
My
wrong
thing
with
is good.
turtleneck.
And
Okay, lime tree.
What the fuck is
You
lime
got a
tree?
whole you got a whole grape on your thing. You got a fucking grape.
No,
It's
I
this
don't
small.
either.
Grape.
No, it's not.
Grape.
No, it's not.
Grape.
Why would you even recommend me get surgery?
I'll even help you pay for it.
I'm not gonna get no goddamn on surgery.
Babe, you've been coming to me about
I
surgery.
was playing.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, I
You
was.
come to me more than one. No, you wasn't. No, you wasn't.
I'm not gonna get surgery on my boobs.
Babe, what's wrong?
Ain't nothing wrong with my boobs.
It's too small.
No, they're not.
This is a little bigger. Ain't nothing wrong with getting a little surgery.
Why would you want me to get bigger boobs? You don't know the risk of that?
So I can put my.
No.
Okay, so if you know the risk of it, why would you mention it to me then?
Because I was playing.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, I
Why
was.
can't you say it more than once?
I was playing.
More than 2 times?
No.
More than 3 times?
No.
You always say it.
No.
At least once a week.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
What?
damn!
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Go them thing looks small.
My boobs not look small. My boobs look alright.
Not my fault. You're stuck, can't go. Stop hitting me. I only hit you 1 time. Back up, bro.
Don't touch me.
Small ass booty.
I don't have no small. My boobs are normal size. I'd rather have this size boobs than have them big old watermelons on my chest. And
No, make
me
it.
having
Listen,
that-
shut up.
You shut up.
Make it a little bit. Look.
What?
Man, see, this is look. They don't line up with your chest. Your chest
Yes,
is right here. Your thing way down here by your stomach.
So why?
Make it make sense.
Why are you talking about my boobs for?
Stop,
No,
stop,
move.
stop,
No.
stop.
No.
Stand up, bro. Stand up.
No.
Stand up.
No. Because
Stand
you
up.
just want to talk about me.
Look.
Nothing.
Look. It should be up here. It should be like
It is
firm.
up there.
Firm right here. It should be like firm. A little push out. But you're look. Bum.
Ain't nothing wrong with my shit. Get this done.
Ah, get what done?
Your stomach.
It's not my fault. My
Get
stomach
your
good.
stomach. No,
My
let me
stomach
see.
good.
Let me see. Come here.
Why you
Come
want to-
here.
No,
Come here.
It's not all about my
No,
stomach.
let me see your stomach. No, get your ass here.
Stop. Pinch me now. I think if you pinch it, make it bigger.
No, it don't. So stop playing. Don't play with me. Let me see. Come here.
Hmm?
Let me see. No, because you want to talk about me. Come here.
Let's talk about one.
Come here. Bring your Come here.
So you gonna get?
No, I'm not getting no breast tube.
Why?
I'm not getting no breast
Wow.
because I don't need it.
Why you need it?
Because when I have a baby, then I'll get bigger boobs.
Hell no, that's big. You think? Wait, hold on. Stop that stunt, fool. Stop. Stop now. Alright, you want to stand up? Okay. That's not. Yo, stand up. Stand up.
Ow!
Yeah, you gonna stand up. Stand up. Oh, that's an inch losing out my thing.
Yeah.
Stop.
You get back.
You saying when you get keys. Stop. Let's go straight now. Stop straight.
I am standing up straight. Ow!
God damn. Let me turn this on. So you say, keep it back straight. Stop straight. Stop straight. So you say when you get keys, if them thing already hanging down here, them thing gonna be.
That's not funny. That's how your face gonna look. That's not funny. Why would you talk about me like that? So you said in your eyes that my body, you don't like my body.
Your boobs.
No. You saying you don't like my body?
I like your boobs, but I want a little bigger.
No, ain't no butt. It's either you like how I am or you don't like how I am.
I like how you is.
No, you don't.
If
you tell me I need surgery.
On your boobs, that's it.
No, that means you don't like how I am.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes,
Because
I do.
if you tell me,
you the first
if
one,
you're telling me,
shut up.
no, you shut up. If you're telling me to physically change
shut up.
myself,
Shut up. You the one that mentioned it to me.
So
why when I mention it? So why when I mention it, it's a problem.
You should be the one to be like, no, babe, I like how your body is the way it is. You look good to me. You don't need to make no change.
Have I not did that?
Why you bringing it to me now? Why you bringing it to me now?
Have I not did that?
Why you bringing it to me now?
Because you keep.
Why you bringing it to me now?
Because you keep bringing it up.
Why
to
you
me.
bringing it to me now?
You brought it up to me last week.
Okay, so you should have been like, nah, babe, you look good. You don't need no breast lift.
What?
You don't need no butt lift. You don't need this and that.
Have I not did that? So how many times you come to me saying you need a butt lift?
What?
Huh?
I've never told you.
Stop the line. That's the cap.
I said.
Stop the cap.
I want to grow my butt organically. I don't want to go.
No, you said
I don't want to go and get my butt done.
You said you want to be at BBL.
A what?
A BBL.
BBL.
BBL. What's the you say you want?
No, I didn't.
And I said your butt was good as it is. So why all of a sudden when I said get these little things up,
Stop doing shit.
them thing hanging like a damn grandma
Well, then
80
they
years
gonna
old.
hang then.
Imagine when you turn 80 years old for them.
Then they gonna hang too slow.
That would be the
Stupid. That's not funny.
How was that problem when I say when you said?
Because you should be the one to be like, no, you don't need to change anything. I like how you is the way you is.
I do like to use the way you is.
No, you don't.
Just need more attraction.
No, it ain't no just or but or none of this. It should be, no, babe, you don't need no work done. I like you how you are.
I already say that all the time. I always say that.
Okay, so why you bring this up to me now? Because
of this.
Because what?
All the other times you bring it up, I always tell you no. So I just decided to say yes. I agree.
I didn't even bring it up this time.
Yeah, because you bring it up a million times. This is my first time.
Okay, that was before.
You give me hot.
Don't be putting your little nasty sweat on me. Move, because you're always trying to grab my hand. Don't grab my hand.
I'm gonna hug.
No, I don't want no damn hug.
Give me a hug.
No.
So why I can't play like how you play?
How I play?
Huh? Okay. Just like how you say you was joking. What if I was joking right now?
No.
What if I was joking right now?
No.
Let me play on that thing, man.
No. Go on about your business.
Blah, blah, blah.
No, do that to your own stuff. Since I was the same size, go do that on your own stuff. What? Get my ass. I'll go around.
Your ass good. I was just playing, man.
No, you wasn't.
I was just playing.
No, you wasn't.
I was just playing.
I thought we was gonna vlog. I was ready to do a vlog.
Damn, why my camera ain't focusing, man? Now, are you gonna clean the bed up now?
No. You distracted me. I was.
Man, it was just a little reaction. Let's give you a reaction. That's it.
Boy, you got my reaction. And don't ever mention it ever again in your life.
I'm little thing, small. Alright, guys. Hey,
Normal size.
this is just a little test that I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So,
Well, you got your answer.
you guys think I got her?
No.
Comment down below. If not, so we're gonna end this video right here, guys. We gotta like, subscribe, catch you in the next video. Peace.